शिल्पा शेट्टी ने राज कुंद्रा की फर्म के साथ अपने लिंक्स को किया डिनाई। शिल्पा शेट्टी claims no links to Raj Kundra's firm in the fraud case. बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने शिल्पा शेट्टी से मांगा एक एफिडेविट। कोर्ट ने डायरेक्ट किया है शिल्पा शेट्टी को टू फाइल अ रिटन एफिडेविट बाय अक्टूबर 16। आपको बता दें, बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट फिलहाल कोई भी रिलीफ नहीं दे रही एक्ट्रेस शिल्पा शेट्टी को, who had sought cancellation of a lookout notice issued against her by the Economic Offences Wing (EOW) in a connection with the 60 crore fraud case involving her husband, businessman Raj Kundra. शिल्पा शेट्टी का कहना है कि उनका राज कुंद्रा की इस कंपनी से कोई नाता नहीं है और वो सिर्फ एक नॉमिनल डायरेक्टर थी। However, the division bench of Chief Justice Sri Chandrasekhar and Justice Gautam Akhand rejected her plea, remarking, "If you want to go abroad, first become a government witness." The court directed Shilpa Shetty to file a written affidavit by October 16 और कोर्ट ने कहा, if you say you have no connection with the company, you get your husband Raj Kundra to sign an affidavit to this effect, the bench said, adding that the couple should first deposit the entire 60 crore allegedly owed to the complainant. The fraud case is worth rupees 60 crore. Pay it first, ऐसा जजेस ने कहा। आपको बता दें, the case pertains to allegations that Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty, as directors of the now defunct Best Deal TV Private Limited, duped businessman Deepak Kothari of nearly 60 crore in a loan-cum investment deal between 2015 and 2023. और ये सारे allegations दीपक कोठारी के हैं, जिनका कहना है कि the couple induced him to invest in the company, which later diverted the funds for personal use. जब राज कुंद्रा से इस बारे में पूछताछ की गई अबाउट द कंपनी विच ट्रेडेड इन हाउसहोल्ड एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस, तो उनका कहना था कि डीमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद इस कंपनी में काफी घाटा हो गया था, इसलिए वो बोरोड फंड्स नहीं लौटा पाए। He has been questioned twice so far और वहीं पर शिल्पा शेट्टी से 4 घंटे की पूछताछ हुई थी उन्हीं के घर on October 4. And now the couple had filed a petition seeking suspension of the lookout circular to allow them to travel abroad for personal commitments and leisure trips. The court, however, said it could not permit such travel when the two were accused in a cheating case. The bench observed that while they have not been arrested due to their cooperation with their investigation, further relief would only be considered after the disputed amount is deposited.